Hello, it's Thursday the 23rd. Thursday the 23rd. And I'm here to teach you a little something. So if you sit right there, I might learn you a little something. So we're looking at connecting stuff. I did this. This is the hose holder that sits on the side of the house, Kamsala. So, like any, what do you call them, smoke detectors, you got these friggin' things in here, and you got those things there. I have 4 of them. So I want you to, I want to show you how to do it. How am I going to put those screws in there so that this fits? So I'm going to hand this off to my beautiful associate.
Okay.
Okay, so say it was a smoke detector. Take some tape. Oops, look at that. Put it out there. And then you just mark the center of the hole. Look at that. And so I would put this over here. Let's just say right there. I would get a thingy bobber, odoler, in there like that. And I put it in there like that.
Not a good idea. I was wondering how you were going to mark the wall.
And then check this out. Uh-huh. I wonder if it'll fit. Well,
by golly, if
That's
it
how
doesn't.
Oh, no. Wait a minute.
Haha.
Look. Okay.
Oh, it looks like a
So you
perfectly
say-
hung hose holder.
So you say, John, you have 4. How are you going to do that? With the tape. Well, don't use the tape, my friend. Use a piece de papier. And then you just do the same thing. Feel around. Where are they? I lost them. They're over here. 1, 2,
Oh, I hope this works.
3. Where's the other one? Right here. Okay, well, we know that these 2 fit.
Yeah.
I'm just putting those there. Let's say they weren't there at all before, but now they are. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I can't wait to see if this is going to work.
Okay. And okay, look.
Wow.
Look,
Oh, isn't
look.
that perfect?
And that's how you do it.
And you know, oh, that looks really good against black. Maybe we should paint the house black.
Paint the house black next time. Okay.
Yeah. I've done the things like that, and they haven't lined up nearly as well as that
Not
method.
nearly as well, and so easy.
Right on.
And so easy. Okay, bye.
Right.